in the introduction, we will know what are the biomimetic and organic architecture. Uh, so we can say biomimetic and organic architecture are the imitation of natural elements in order to solve human problems like energy and efficiency and waste issue. Also, organic architecture transforms natural elements to ethics application in architecture, while biomimetic architecture doesn't replace the elements of nature but rather than understand the rules that govern the farms. So this is some information about uh, organic and biomimetic architecture. Here in the introduction, I will give you an idea about the biomimetic and organic architecture. So we can say they are the imitation of natural elements in order to solve human problems like energy efficiency and waste issue. Also, organic architecture transform natural elements to ethics applications in architecture, while biomimetic architecture doesn't replace the elements of nature but rather than understand the rules that govern the farms. So this is like two important information about them, and there are some difference or some similarity of biomimetic and organic architecture we know for next slide. The background of my study of the relation and connection between architecture and nature is not new, and it is one that has brought forth many questions, criticism, and solution. There are a lot of building examples of organic biomimetic concepts that have designed by famous architects, even if they are new architects or older. Since ancient times, some architects tried to find a lot of ways to solve environment problems like as fewer waste and zero energy usage and design friendly building to environment. The important significance of my study is helping to find many appropriate and effective solutions that will promote architecture and solving problems related to architects and a main goal of my research. And answer some questions like if the biometric architecture has the same concept or different of organic architecture. Um, they if they have some similarities and some different points or key points. Also, if they can work together or they have to work separate, and if we can combine the elements of each of them to get a good solution to human and environment problems. I have here key terms to the main key terms or definition about organic architecture and biomimetic architecture. So organic architecture is a philosophy of architecture which promotes harmony between human habitation and the natural world through design approach to sympathetic and will integrate with its site. The building, furniture, and surrounding become a part of unified intelligent composition. While biomimetic architecture is a contemporary style of architecture that seeks solution for sustainability in natural, not by replacing the natural forms, but by understanding the rules governing those forms. Here in my literature review, I decide to talk about six elements cooperated in design between organic and biomimetic architecture, and the six they are I will talk about the sustainability between them, cost, system, technology, materials, and architects. And I will review with some of the articles talks about these six important elements in design. Here is the most important points I will review in my literary review and talks about it with the each elements the four six elements. First, the architects. We will know who are the famous organic and biomimetic architects. and their idea about the using natural shapes and elements in the design, and they how they use it, and how. So review some examples of their work. In materials um, aspect, we will review some examples of organic and biometric materials, and how they apply to design. Also, innovation of new materials in the design. Uh, about the sustainability, we would know the concept of sustainability in organic and biometric design, and how they apply, if they have like same way to get the idea of sustainability, or different. um, about the cost also, I review some examples of some projects with the cost of them, uh, even the organic or biomimetic architecture, and if they like are has have the same cost or different. System, I mean by system the type of building, if they are residential, commercial, if the like most of the projects apply with organic architecture, it's like healthcare buildings, or residential buildings, and the same with the biometric architecture. We'll review this also. The technology, how they apply technology in design, also if they like have same system, same idea, uh, and the innovation of a new technology as well. Okay. So my methodology is a secondary data, and my main goal and the idea here, like just to compare the old organic architecture between the new biometric architecture. So we have literature review, we have analyzed the six elements of design they incorporate in design, and then do qualitative review, which with the each one of them. For example, for the articles, I will use like some articles talks about the organic and biometric articles, and they are almost between 2006 2015. About the materials, we found the best database with the materials connection from the Chatham University, and we did this with Dr. Flores last week, and we found like many materials, a lot of materials, like for organic architecture 1100 materials, and about biometric architecture like almost 1300 materials. So I was comparing this between about the sustainability, talks about the fire resistance, water, sound absorbing, and we will see which are the most successful materials and what are the difference between them. Uh, Sustainability, also I have the articles about the sustainability, which is from 2016 to 2015. The cause, we have some case studies about the cost about organic and biometric architecture, like uh, the Hayes Hertzberg of this is an example of case study to biometric architecture, and falling water. This is an example of building a house to organic architecture, and we will do like the cost and system at the same way with the case studies. About the technology, also we have some case studies, which is most of them about uh, the biometric architecture, and we will see the this is the how I will do this with next days. Here in the objectives, I posted some pictures to give you one like clear idea, or picture or view about what I'm doing now, and I will do also. So, for example, here in the architects, we have Frank Lloyd Wright, the famous American architect, uh, with the organic architecture, and we have Norman Foster. This is the architects is like example for biometric architects, and he has like some projects about biometric. Here are also the some pictures of materials. So all of them like rag. This is like how the comparing it's be. Sustainability. I did have like main pictures to present this idea of sustainability, but we can say that sustainability is like related to materials, to the system of building as well. Here are the costs. Also, I don't have like pictures about the cost, but I will compare the difference between organic and biometric project cost. System. We have an example of uh, uh, tour of biometric architecture, and we have for organic architecture we have the falling water. So this is means that's like the office building, and this is like the residential house. The technology we have like different two pictures. The one that in the right represent the organic architecture technology, and the one that's in the left represent the biometric architecture technology. Finally, here is my biography and my resource. I have two books. The first one is Biomedics, Material Structure and Process Example, Ideas and Case Studies to Jarba. The second one is Architecture Follows a Nature Biometric Principle for Innovative Design. Also, I have one thesis about biomimicry using nature as a modeling of design, and I have a research about biomimicry for innovative built environment to SECV, and all of them like are professional and useful when I did this research.